Introducing the OnePlus Watch 2, unveiled at Mobile World Congress, featuring Qualcomm Snapdragon W5 and BES chip. With polished stainless steel circular dial, 5D sapphire crystal glass, it's available in black steel and radiant steel with grey and green straps, priced at Rs 24,999, available in India from March 4th. Special offers for ICICI Bank and OneCard customers with Rs 2,000 discounts. No interest EMI plans, up to 12 months with select banks. Existing OnePlus customers enjoy Rs 1,000 off. The OnePlus Watch 2 boasts a dual-engine architecture, 500 mAh battery, offering up to 100 hours on smart mode and 48 hours of heavy usage. Supports Google apps like Maps and Assistant. Indian version excludes Google Pay and wallet services. Key specs: 1.43-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon W5 processor, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, accelerometer, gyroscope, heart rate sensor, blood oxygen level monitor, 100+ sports modes, GPS dual band support. Experience innovation with OnePlus Watch 2.